Hello guys, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have a many colorful of toys here. See, there is a many colorful of toys. All are new brand. See, so friends, at first I will introduce all of my toys with you, and next I will hand drive with my hand. So let's go. At first, at first is a baby scooty. See, this is a baby scooty. Wow, this is nice color combination. See this baby color is gray, and this cap color is pink, and this ball color is also pink. And next one, what is this name? I don't know what is this name. But this, do you know what is this name? Comment in below. See, see this wheel color. This wheel color is red, paste, yellow, and green color combination also. So friends, and next one is a elephant car. Wow, this is a elephant car. See. See this color is paste color, black color and purple color combination. Wow. And next one is a big size bird. See, this is a big size bird. Wow, see this color is purple color and yellow color combination. Wow. And next one is a R17 high speed bike. See, this is R17 high speed bike. See this color is yellow and black color combination also. And next one is a runner car. Yes, this is a runner car. See this color, the upper side color is pink color, this body color is paste color, and this lower portion and wheel is black color. Wow. Next one and last one is a big size Tata truck. See, this is big size Tata truck. See, see this color, this full body color is yellow, and these glasses are blue, and this wheel color is black and yellow color combination also. So friends, all of my toys introduced with you, and now I will hand drive with my hand all of my toys. So let's go. At first, baby lorry. Wow. Wow, friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here. And next one is unknown lorry. See? So let's go. Wow, friends, I parked here besides this. And next one is a elephant car. So let's go. Wow, friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here. Next one is a big size bird. Wow, friends, see, this is very nice. Wow, I reached my parking place, so I parked here. And next one is a R17 high speed bike. Wow, I parked here besides bird. And next one is a big size runner car. So let's go. Wow, friends, I parked besides R17 bike. And next one and last one is a big size Tata truck. So let's go. Bing, 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 bing. Wow. I reached my parking place. So I parked here all of my vehicles. See? So friends, I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful of toys.